Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss what type of mixtures are. So start with type of mixtures. We are having three kind of beakers: beaker A, beaker B and beaker C.
With 50 milliliters of water in each. Add a spatula of sugar crystals to beaker A, a spatula of powdered chalk to beaker B, and a few drops of milk to beaker C. Stir well with a glass rod. Particles can be seen in beaker B, but not in A or C. Direct a beam of light from a torch through the beakers A, B and C, and observe each beaker from the front. The path of light is visible in case of B and C, but not in A. Leave the mixtures undisturbed for some time. Now, filter each of the mixtures. You will find a residue on the filter paper for beaker B. The mixtures in the beakers are of three distinct types. The mixture in A is a solution, in B is a suspension, and in C is a colloid.
So you have seen three kind of mixtures here: solution, suspension and colloid. Right? So A was solution, this was suspension. Why suspension? Because the particles are you can see easily in this beaker, and this is the colloid, in which you cannot see the particles, but these are less distributed in it, right? Now,
Hey, I could use this while performing tricks. Tell me more. I'm thirsty. Let me conjure up a bottle of cola for myself. Is this cola a solution as well?
That's right. Aerated drinks are nothing but gases in a liquid solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances, which means that the density, viscosity, and other physical properties are the same in any part of the solution. For example, a salt solution tastes the same throughout. A solution has a solvent and a solute as its components. A component of the solution that is present in a larger amount is called the solvent. A component of the solution that is relatively present in a smaller quantity is called the solute.
so one thing should be clear here. What is a solution? Solution means two components are there: solute plus solvent, right? So as you make this sugar solution, suppose it is salt solution. So why it is salt solutions? Because salt is solute, which is in less amount, plus solvent is water, right? Wherever there is the term solution is used, the solution means when one component is higher than the another, that is called a solvent, which is higher in concentration, which is more in concentration, which has more amount, that is the solvent, and which has a less amount, which is the solute. For example, I'm taking a very good example. As you can observe it, the atmosphere of the earth is a solution of gases. And how is that so? And one gas is solvent and others are solute. Just answer me which one is solvent and which ones are solutes. That is my question. You have to answer this question in comment box. In the atmosphere, which gas is solvent and which ones are solutes, right?
A solution of iodine in alcohol is known as a tincture of iodine. The iodine is the solute and alcohol is the solvent. This is an example of a solid in a liquid solution. An aerated drink is a gas in liquid solution, where carbon dioxide is the solute and water is the solvent.
Is it?
Air
One is solvent, one is solute. Solute may be gas, may be solid, may be liquid. That means solution may be of any kind. Solution may be of solid in liquid, liquid in liquid, or gas in liquid. I'm taking solid in liquid, then it is solute. Solid is solute and solvent is liquid. When I'm taking liquid in liquid, that means both are liquid, and one liquid is in much more amount and one liquid is less amount, that is the solute. When I'm taking gas in liquid, that means it is what? It is liquid in solvents condition. Liquid is in having more amount and gas is having less amount.
is a homogeneous mixture of a number of gases. It is an example of a gas in gas mixture.
The atmosphere is gas in gas mixture.
Now watch as I make this cola disappear.
A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. The particles of a solution are smaller than 1 nanometer in diameter, so they cannot be seen with the naked eye. When you direct a beam of light through the solution, it is not visible. Since the particles in a solution are very small, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution. The solute particles cannot be separated from the mixture by filtration. Since the particles are very small, they pass through filter paper. When a solution is stable, it means that the solute particles do not settle down at the bottom of the container even if you leave the solution undisturbed for a while.
I found this bottle of concentrated magic potion among my teacher's things. I'll have a few sips and turn into a powerful magician. It tastes terrible. I hope it works. Let me try making the flowers grow bigger. I think the potion was too dilute.
Concentration is defined as the amount of solute present in the unit volume of a solution. A solution that
So the term comes the concentration. The concentration always means how much amount in how much substance. How much substance is dissolved in something in a particular amount, right? So concentration means having two types. You can see here two methods. Mass by mass percentage of solution means mass of solute dissolved in mass of solution into 100. This is the mass percentage. Mass by volume percentage. So how it can be written as mass of solute upon volume of solution. Means this is m by m and this is m by v. So how's that? M of solute, mass of solute, divided by mass of solution into 100. And for this mass of solute, you can write it like this upon volume of solution into 100. Mass upon volume and mass upon mass.
contains a relatively smaller quantity of solute as compared to the solvent is known as a dilute solution.
Wherever amount of solute is greater, this is called more concentrated amount. Suppose I'm taking the example. Things up, I'm having two beakers, right? I'm having two beakers. In one beaker, beaker A and beaker B, in one beaker, the amount of liquid is same. Suppose this is 100 ml and this is 100 ml. Now I add 50 gram sugar in A right? And in B, I'm adding 30 gram sugar. So you can see which beaker is having more concentrated solution. Of course, means this one, 50 gram solute in 100 ml of water. This is more concentrated because solute is more here. 30 gram upon 100 means 30 gram of sugar in 100 ml of water is less concentrated, means more the solute, more is concentrated the solution, right? So that means concentration depends on the amount of solute added in a particular amount of solvent.
The concentration of a solution can be expressed using two methods. Mass by mass percentage of a solution is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 100. Mass by volume percentage of a solution is equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Now that you know what mass by mass percentage and mass by volume percentage